How to change Snapchat ringtone. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on the profile icon given at the top left corner. Once you're on the profile page, now what you have to do is click on the option of Snapchat Plus. In order to change the ringtone for the Snapchat, you'll need to upgrade to the Snapchat Plus. So what you have to do is click on Next and upgrade to the Snapchat Plus. After you upgrade it, you're gonna find the Find Snapchat Plus option. You'll need to navigate to the option of Custom Ringtone Sounds. Then you have to select the option of Everyone. With that, you're gonna get the different ringtone sounds. You'll need to select any of it. After you select it, click on Done. With that, the ringtone for the Snapchat will be updated. So this way you are able to change Snapchat ringtone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.